classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humour, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Sound Radio. Righty, and at number 6 this week, it is up 3 places. It is heading in the right direction. Very sneaky, this lot. Very sneaky, honestly. They do this, they toy about for a bit, and then all of a sudden it's like, bang, number 1. It is Interrobang with Dreams. This is taken from their brand new album. And if you listened last week, and you're going to listen to this song again, I'm sure you're going to agree. It does lodge itself in the mind. It's one of them songs you heard it a couple of times, and you just get into it, man. You love it. This week's number 6, guys, Interrobang, Dreams. If you like it, get on Facebook, give it a share, give it a listen. This is one of them that should be sticking around in this chart for quite some time. It's a beast.
I can't go to sleep. I'm having dreams of things that you wouldn't believe. I'm dreaming about the past and the future. Wars to be had, but we end up losing. A bomb to drop and it sounds like beatboxing. Next thing you know, half the country starts dropping to the ground like we're trying break dancing. Then it realised it was gas that had passed them. And this is when I wake myself up, because if you die in dreams, you never wake up. Like when falling from a great height, I always wake myself up before I see the light. Light. Every day it seems. These dreams. We're damn ready for the scenes. These dreams. Getting crazy every day it seems. These dreams. I can't sleep, I can't close my eyes. These dreams are making me surprised. You're getting even more messed up and fed up. Enough is enough, getting to sleep's real tough. Started daydreaming about the day Prince William rules. He sacks politicians, makes his own rules. Next thing you know, though, he gets fooled by Harry, who doors him in a fight to be king. Nothing more, nothing less. It's a real mess, like an old school conquest. Nothing left but chunks of flesh. Flesh, flesh. They're getting crazy every day, it seems. These dreams. Getting worse, I'm ready for the scenes. These dreams. They're getting crazy every day, it seems. These dreams. These dreams are stopping me from going to sleep. Nothing helps, not even counting sheep. If I count sheep, they turn to zombies, turning up everywhere like people in onesies. They're not part of the human race. All you gotta do is smash them in the face. Yo, meteors are coming from outer space. They're crashing into Earth and destroying the whole place. Now getting to the safe zone becomes a race. If I see a zombie on the way, smash him in the face, pull him in your place. Do your bit and help start the race before we lose our place. What? Getting crazy every day, it seems. These dreams. Getting worse, I'm ready for the scenes. These dreams. Getting crazy every day, it seems. These dreams.
play the best songs, all the right songs, right on Round Sound Radio. We
play the best songs, all the right song, right on round sound radio.
Righty, what an absolute cracker that is. Our Scott on guitar, Jesus wept. Should see him, he's just that good live, kids, he's just that good live. In Terabang, if you get a chance to see them live, do that shit, do that. Number 5 this week, guys. We've got a bit of a heavy act in the top 5 this week. A lot heavy, man, just say now. We've got 2, really. But this is number 5 anyway, Lost in Translation. Very heavy stuff, but very, very good stuff, might I add. Brand new entry, it is called Wearing Black. This is a very, very good tune. This is one of them as soon as I heard it. Even though it's not my personal favourite genre, you got to take your hat off to and go, do you know what? That's a fucking good tune, that, mate. They prove me right. It's this week's number 5. This is Lost in Translation, Wearing Black. Have a go with this. Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Absolute tunage indeed. Right, this week at number 4, guys, we have another brand new entry with us. This is Zen Project with Eggshells. The boys have been off the boil for a bit, but they have been locked indoors working away on their brand new EP that's coming up. They've also just been in the Live Lounge. You can go onto our website, www.roundsoundradio.co.uk, and check out the Live Lounge video on there. I think they've actually got 2. They've done 2 Live Lounges with us now. They're the only band to have done that. Apart from the... Oh, no, sorry, Hegarty. Yeah, Hegarty and... I think Joe Samson and Love and Kind. Right, guys, this week's number 4, Eggshells by Zen Project. Absolute wonderful little tune. If you like it, guys, you know what the crack is.
You said that you don't think about me. You said that there's no one left on your side. You said that this world revolves around me. You said that all you hear is lies. I'm not sure why door you broke through. Now that you came into my life,